Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jawadul Manzoor Foundation. As you know that we have done statistics unit 4 from the learner's book. Now this is the workbook and few other worksheets in front of you. So try to do this worksheet. First of all, there is an introduction, little bit definition about statistics, that what is statistics and why we are using, and in this chapter what we are going to learn. So all these things are mentioned here. We will learn the concept of Carroll diagram, telemarks, telechart. So all these are going to be done. Okay, we have discussed this chapter in a very detail from the learner's book. Now this is the solution of from the workbook. So I will mention the page number as well. Now these are the all solutions you can see in front of you, all solved answers. Just stop the video and write the answers and try to do by yourself as well, because as you know that the mathematics is a game of practice. So you have to practice a lot each and every question. And apart from the learner's book, there is a workbook and few other worksheets as well. I will share with you here. So try to solve it by yourself. These are all answers are written here, so that if you have any problem, just you can go through these. And again, if you have any problem in understanding, you can just go through the learner's book, which I have discussed already in very detailed. Now these are the solution, and still if you will feel problem, if you cannot solve the answers, so try to ask me, write me in a comment box. You can just write me. I will make again more explanatory video for you, so that each and every question I will explain. Apart from the workbook, there is a few other worksheets as well. You can just go through these worksheets and stop the video, write the question and understand these all questions. Try to do by yourself in your notebook, so that you will be able to understand all these things. And I will also share the worksheet of all other worksheets as well. I will also share to you. Try to go over there, download it, take a printout and start solving these worksheets as well. And if you feel any problem in the worksheet, so you can ask to me, just I will explain to you. But I think there is no need more explanation, because in the learner's book we have learned each and everything in a very detailed. You know that how we write the tally number. We have learned why these straight lines are here. You were thinking about it. So this is the tally chart, and we write the numbers in tally like this. I will put the link below in the description from the learner's book, which I have solved, which I have explained in a learner's book, very detailed, all the questions, Carroll diagram, tally charts, how we will write the tally numbers, everything I have explained over there. So try to go over there and go to this link and learn that how we will write in tally the different numbers in tally. So I think there is no need to explain more. But if you are feeling anything again, so you can just write me in a comment box. I will explain to you. I will make one other video about this to explain. Hope you are understanding. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that this book is going to be completed, then we will start Cambridge book for grade 3. So stay with us, so that you will not feel any problem whenever you are solving with your students, with your kids. So if you will not feel any sort of problem. This is a complete teachers and parents guide. This is the complete guide here to whenever you are teaching to your students. If you are a teacher, you are teaching to your students and facing a problem, or if you are a parents and solving with your kids and you are facing a problem while solving these type of questions with your kids, so you don't need to be worried. You will be stay here. We are going to